welcome back. Today we are looking at Iceland's microwavable steak pies. 4 in a pack, cost me £2.50. It's part of a new range that they've got out. Yeah, what can I say? Let's have a look. 4 microwave steak pies with short crust pastry. Is that what it says? Ah, gotta say more than that. Cooking instructions. I'll tell you what, my eyesight's going. I'm like blind as a bat recently. I don't know. Short crust pastry made with pork lard filled with pieces of beef and onion in a gravy. You cook them in the microwave for 2 minutes 30 seconds. Let's get one out of the box. Have a little look-see. Have a little look-see. There we go. There it is, before it goes in the microwave. Must remember not to put the foil in the microwave. Not very big, not very thick, but hey, £2.50 for 4. That's what I've got to remember. So, I'm going to chuck this in the microwave and I'll be right back. I'm just waiting for the microwave. How can 2 minutes 30 seconds seem so long? Alright, okay, so it's out of the microwave. I don't know, it's kind of just collapsed on me. Yeah, so the pastry is really strange. It's kind of started to fall apart. In places it's soft, other places it's hard. Pastry on the bottom is just soggy. So, not really impressed with that idea. A pie to me is supposed to have a nice crumbly, crusty pastry, you know, it's just how short crust should be, not a soggy bottom. Hate a soggy bottom on a pie. Right, anyway, so pastry, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this down the middle now. And there's the filling. So, okay. Why am I not looking forward to this already? Can that focus in? There you go. So, soggy pastry on the bottom, as you can see. Just try a bit of the pastry on its own. Now let me try some other filling. So, this is going to be an easy one today. Not only am I disappointed at the pastry, some of it is hard in places. Let me put that down. Right. Iceland's new microwave steak pies. very simple. The pastries just go soft. You can, don't get me wrong, you can bake them in the oven, to which case then the pastry will be nice and firm. But the idea of a microwave pie is to cook it in the microwave, not the oven. So, based on what it is, that being a microwave pie, I am basing it on that. Pastry's gone soggy. The meat doesn't taste very nice inside. The filling doesn't taste very nice at all. The pastry's got a strange taste. So, with that in mind, I am giving that a grand score today of 4.5 out of 10. Now that's quite surprised me, because normally Iceland, I think their stuff is on point. It normally gets a very good score from me, but today I'm only getting a 4.5 because of the soggy pastry. The filling and the pastry doesn't taste quite right. So, if you've had them, let me know what your thoughts are. You may disagree. After all, if we all had the same taste and everything, it'd be a pretty damn boring bloody place. So just let me know. Leave your comments below, and if you do try them, I hope you like them more than I did. So for now, that's it from me. I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm out of here. Take care. Until next time. See you later.